Hello friends, welcome to Study Education.
So in this video, we are going to tell some important points about Bermuda Triangle and the
Parallel universe. I will tell some important points about Bermuda Triangle and you will tell some important points about parallel universe. So
Okay.
please leave speech.
Okay. Now parallel universe. Now I am going to tell some important points about parallel universe. So now parallel universe. Now you know like Earth. Now Earth, there are several solar systems, and there's Earth. Okay. So like that only. There's human cultivation. So in there they could be advanced from us, or the human cultivation is starting. So where you know that parallel universe means when a person sleeps and when he wakes up means it is like a dream. So when he wakes up, he would be in the advanced city or country. So this is called as parallel universe. Means like now we have the Earth and we are moving in a time. So here now now there are total more than uncountable Earths in our universe. So they are more advanced than us. They are too much advanced, or they are like us, or they are starting just your human cultivation. So when we wake, in the dream when we wake up our eyes, so we can see the advanced country. Okay, means we are in the parallel universe, and even the what we say is the cultivation, where the human cultivation is being from the monkeys to the human. They are that is growing up. We could be there. It could be any time, like dinosaurs time, and it could be any time. So this is called as parallel universe. So please state your point.
So now I'll tell my speech of Bermuda Triangle. So let's start. Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle is one of the dangerous ocean in the world. Okay, you know that Bermuda Triangle has water going inside like this inside. So any plane, so one day that was like this. So one man recorded and sent it to Facebook or anywhere. So everyone saw it, and the scientists were very shocked how it is happening. So they thought to research about that. So they first sent a ship. They first sent a ship which went in the Bermuda Triangle for to research. But after that only it crashed into that and went to the deep under the water and they died there. So they thought that I think if the ship will go, they will sink and die. So they sent it NASA sent the jet. So they sent out the jet and to research it. But while going the jet from that, the Bermuda Triangle binds and it came inside the ocean and died. Like thousands of airplanes have went inside the Bermuda Ocean, and so many thousands of ships also. Okay, some people tells that because of gravitational force in the water is gravitational force very much. So there is, if anything goes, so it binds and if we go inside and our death begins. And some people tell that because of gravity it binds everyone like sun, like the sun binds whole solar system, and this only it binds and brings all the things to him. So please to the next point. So come. So this was our video. If you like the video, please like
And please subscribe our channel Education Kid,
And
and also share this video to your natives, brothers, cousins, sisters, everyone.
and please click on the bell icon for all the notifications in your mobile.
And please be safe from coronavirus. Please wash your hands 20 seconds every day, and please be safe from coronavirus. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video.